Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 13-14 Dominion hockey. It's break number 70, and the Winnipeg Jets were the last team sold. They sold at 1958 Eastern, and we'll go to the eBay time. And we'll refresh it here. eBay time is 1706 Pacific, 2006 Eastern, and 2106, or actually 07, Nova Scotia time. Okay, I want to thank everybody for getting their bids in. Bruins fan, 1144. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 teams. Way to go. So here's a list with all the winners and their respective teams. And this will be my last break for probably a couple weeks. Busy this week, so I'm going on vacation next week. So just well, back at it when I get back, I guess. So there it is, number 70, serial number 20665200571. Here's our product. Serial number is 0571. Move right on. So let's get right at it. Excuse me. Alrighty. I will say right now, good luck everyone. Okay, start off with the base card for Rick Nash and the New York Rangers. New York is Bruins fan, 1144, and that's 286 out of 299. Rick Nash, Rangers. Next one, a gold for Ben Street for the Flames, and that is Bruins fan, 1144. And that's 7 out of 50. Very nice, congratulations. And for the Chicago Blackhawks and Bruins fan, 1144. This one's nice. It's heavy, I'll tell you that. So do you know what it is? Engravatures. Duncan Keith. Sweet. 12 out of 15. Very nice. For the Montreal Canadiens and Murphy, 31, we've got a gold, Carey Price, number 28 out of 50. Whoops, it's alive. For the Ottawa Senators and 1C4000, Corey Conacher. Oh, nice patch. Kind of glitzy. Looks like it's all sequins. And that is 234 out of 299. Very nice. Very nice. Congratulations. Last but not least, we've got Brian Flynn for the Sabres, and that's Bruins fan, 1144. A gold. Man, this was a gold box. A gold of Brian Flynn. And that is number 69 out of 99. Very nice. Congratulations. Nice seam. Part of a patch, I guess. So here we have them. We've got Ottawa, Montreal, Buffalo, Chicago, Calgary, and New York. There you have it, folks. Have a good couple weeks. Don't miss me. Till then, happy bidding. Good night.